All right, so UnitedHealth stock price is down 10.6% over the previous month compared to the 1.4% gain in the S&P 500. That's despite the company reporting better than expected Q3 earnings, but investor confidence remains muted as the administration in the United States continues to pressure healthcare companies to offer lower costs and provide more services to folks living in the United States. That's pressuring all kinds of healthcare companies, including UnitedHealth, pharmaceutical companies. Everyone that's working around the system is feeling the pinch as margins are being compressed as costs are increasing. Wall Street analysts have also downgraded UnitedHealth stock, saying that the company's management team will have a difficult time improving profit margins next year. Management has said to investors that it will be increasing. Now, I also like to look at valuation on a market multiples basis, and my preferred data source to retrieve those market multiples is fiscal.ai. They're actually running a Black Friday promotion right now where you can get 30% off their services. You can see the link in the description. So the forward PE ratio for UnitedHealth right now is at 19.7, and the forward price to OCF is at 14. So these, I think, are, again, reiterating that undervaluation that I also noticed using my proprietary discounted cash flow model. So in both cases, I'm seeing the evidence point to undervaluation, which is not always the case when I'm evaluating stocks. Sometimes one of my indicators will point to an undervaluation and another indicator will point to an overvaluation, and that makes it more difficult to make a decision on the stock because you're getting two different signals from your valuation metrics. That's not the case with UnitedHealth. I'm getting two signals pointing in the same direction, which makes it more, I don't want to say easier because investing decisions are not easy, but it makes it less confusing when you're getting indicators pointing to the same direction. You don't have to weigh your indicators and decide which one is playing a larger factor or which one you're going to lean on if you're getting one indicator pointing to overvaluation and another indicator pointing to undervaluation. And so I will be updating and reiterating my buy rating for UnitedHealth stock November 26, 2025. And remember, I've had this stock rated as a buy ever since the initial crash when we started getting those negative announcements in the first and second quarter of the year when the stock price crashed by roughly 50%.
Click the link below to watch the full video.